I would suggest this is an interesting field because since the IT changed a lot in past years, now you have a chance to work with a really low code or such kind of product, like smart product like UiPath, where you could use your programming skills, but you don't have to write 100 lines of codes, where you can use some pre-built activities and pre-built programs. But at the same time, you can use your expertise, you can use your knowledge to implement and to apply how you need to build a solution. So, and here the automation developers role is critical, because then you know how APIs work, how other technologies work. You have an option to interact with C#, Python, or a VB.NET or other technologies. So in that sense, it's really important to be an automation developer rather than a typical developer, because then you understand the entire framework, how it works, and whatever problem you are trying to solve, that can be solved. It's just a choice of which technology or tool you wanted to use. First of all, I would say the community. So here the UiPath community is the key to learn and to develop yourself, because that is the best way you could start. And you have a lot of people or experts where you can just put your problem statement and they can answer, they can support you. So that is one way which you can use. The another way is UiPath Academy, which is also again a really great platform, which is you can use. There are really good teaching mechanism. You have videos, some kind of hands-on problem statements which you can use and gain your expertise in the tool. And based on that, I think this is the best two ways to start. Also, UiPath arrange a lot of training sessions which you can make use of it, and where you will get a chance to interact with product owners or a real-time use case from where you can learn and apply in your organization. I would say since I started with RPA, for me it's a kind of a next level where I would like to interact. I would like to be more with the automation technology, like document understanding or some kind of AI technology, machine learning models, or some integration technologies where we could use all together to solve the problem. And I would say UiPath is a really good platform which is continuously growing and trying to build new product in the market to achieve the end-to-end automation and also the smart automation, I would say. I would say that the current development is really nice, and they have a really a good roadmap for next few years, and they are really expanding in terms of going from traditional RPA to the advanced automation, where you could use the typical step-by-step methods, but also you can make use of integration services, integration technologies, or you can focus on the smart solution like document understanding or AI machine learning, where you can minimize the human intervention and maximize the outcome. I would say the latest product which I like the most is the integration services, and this is one of the really good product where you can get a visibility that you can do everything across all the IT product or IT application you have it in your organization. As I said, integration services is one of them, and another one is document understanding, which I would like to try the most. And since UiPath also provide an opportunity to use their pre-built machine learning models, or you can build your own machine learning model. So I think that's gonna be a great platform. And recently in the UiPath, they presented that they are planning to bring document understanding as a REST API service, which could also be a kind of game changer, because you don't have to stick to the tool, but you can use their services to solve the problem. I would say it's gonna be really game changer, because So we started like a few years back, and the traditional RP, I think most of the organization has realized that we should adopt it. But now as a next step, we should understand that what we could do better to just to minimize the human intervention, and also to automate the end-to-end, and try to maximize the automation culture in an organization to solve bigger problems. I will go for UiPath Web Studio, because this is also expand the opportunity for every individual to go and look and play with the product in the web as a form of web application, and then this will reduce a lot of infrastructure effort as well to install and to adopt. So it's just a kind of a go-to product in the market where you can just open, navigate, and try to build your own automations. So far the summit is really wonderful, and I really miss that I could join last year as well, but this time I made it, and I feel this is a really good opportunity to learn and to understand how the UiPath product is shaping up, and what's their plan, what's the roadmap. You get a good chance to talk with the product managers or product owners, where you can influence their roadmap, that as a customer, what is your real-time challenge, how you could tell your feedback to improve, and it's a really good platform where they could collect feedback from everybody, and they can try to come up with a solution which can really stick to the customer adaptation. Overall, it's a really big positive to have everybody under one roof and interact with them, and try to understand where your product is going in the market which you are using.